Welcome to Telesay, the new social media for finding your future career. Let prospective employers anywhere in the world know about you by your profile video and meeting you on video interviews. Connect with fellow job seekers through Telesay and learn from each other. How does it work? Install Telesay app easily on App Store or Play Store. Register with your mobile phone number. Make a profile video for others to see. Swipe through others' videos as well. Express yourself freely in any language and make a CV video that can only be seen by the organization you apply to. Swipe through job vacancy videos, tap on the details, and apply by video when you think you are a match. Answer by video if you are sent question videos or even attend a live interview. See your future self in a profession on a video and make it your target to achieve in the future. Download the app and register yourself today. Walk anywhere, work anywhere. For more info, visit www.telesay.com.